Hey, welcome back to another video. Once again, an unboxing of the weekly comics. So those of you that have a pull box, your books are here. So let's see what they did for us. I kind of have a general idea, but sometimes I forget. I gotta print out the receipts. Keep forgetting. But box inside of a box inside of another box. All right, so oh! So first things first, we have a new poster of the new Teen Titans. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's gonna get hung up. That's pretty cool. Okay, there's that. Then we got another poster. We got a couple posters. And our books. So we got Together. That's gotta be Raven. That's pretty cool. I like that. You guys need any of the new Teen Titans stuff? Let us know. We will order it. Speaking about which, we gotta order new books. We're supposed to order it today. Doom Patrol. Well, they hooked us up today. Bad Seeds. Last poster. Batman, Two Worlds.
That one's cool.
That is sick. Now, for the comics. First up, we got Absolute Batman 23 on the horse.
That's a dope cover.
Then we have Absolute Batman 23.
That's also a dope cover.
Absolute Batman 23. We got more of those. Absolute Batman 23 and Absolute Batman 23.
Ooh,
That
that
is
one's
cool.
really cool. That's tough.
So those, we got our Absolute Batman books in and ready to go. Till next time. Peace.